Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with another Saturday morning makes as well as hashtag two crafters, one design. Saturday morning makes is hosted by Jillian Norwood, and I'll have her link down below. And then our hashtag, which is hashtag two crafters, one design, it's hosted by myself as well as Gloria, who is Girliest Cards, and you see why I'm a diva. And so anyways, let's jump in and show you what I created this week. This week we are focusing on kites right here. I don't know where this came from. So to me it's unbranded, but I know I think Nicole made this, Nicole Silhouette. I'm not definite because Gloria sent it to me. So thanks so much, Gloria. So glad to have that set. Before I get all the way into it, I want to tell you that next week's theme is Mother's Day. So if you want to create anything for Mother's Day, make sure you use our hashtag. All right, let's keep it going. And so from Spellbinders, and I don't know which set because I mixed up everything. Anyways, I'm using this high. I'm using some of these clouds, the two smallest one, I want to say a medium-sized one there. This one is from Photoplay, and I'm using almost everything except for that tag. And then from In-Love Arts, I'm using this one here, looks like wind. So that's what I'm using, and let me show you how this cute card turned out. I love it. So I use green, and it's a color that I love. I've kind of put it aside because I've gone with the teals and turquoise colors, but green still has my heart. So I accented that with black, white, and then green. I love it. I had to go a little bit darker for the enamel dots because I didn't have a green that matched that perfectly, but I still think it works, and it's so pretty. I used that In Love Arts die to just emboss the backside of this paper that came with the die from Photoplay. I love it. And then I love those little scallops on that Photoplay die. It is just so pretty. I was so glad to get that on clearance from scrapbook.com. I always seen Gloria using it. I was just like, I want that die, but didn't want to pay the price until it came down to what I wanted to pay, and I was so happy to pick it up. But I thought that turned out so pretty. I did use the largest one for the inside of the card, so we'll have some place to write. I do have some extra kites, so I might put something in the inside, not sure, but love how this turned out. My project for the week. And if you would like to join, make sure you use a kite and then use those hashtags down below, and get prepared for next week, Mother's Day. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.